can subtract mixed numbers on a number line. Let's look at this number line right here. Oh, number line.
Wow.
All right, number line. We're going to first subtract this problem. I'm going to subtract first, and I want you to see what's going on with the number line. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Are you not sure what mixed numbers are? Make sure you check out our other video that goes over all of the basics of mixed numbers. When you subtract, you are also finding the difference between two numbers. How I like to find the difference between two mixed numbers on a number line is to put both numbers on the number line and then see what the distance is between them. Here, take a look at this. Let's look at this problem. 3 3/5 minus 1 1/5. I'm going to first put both mixed numbers on the number line. Now we're going to find the difference. Do you sometimes struggle to make sure that your whole jumps are correct? I always like to think of the fraction that is equivalent to that whole number. So in this case, 1 is equal to 5/5. So if you need to double check that your whole jumps are correct, just see if there's 5/5 between them. All right, now we're going to see what fraction we still need to jump. What's our answer? What's the difference? The answer is going to be 2 2/5.